Hello everybody, my presentation is titled as Climate Change Impact Drought in Chennai. Chennai is situated in southern part of India. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It has a population of 11 millions and area of 426 square kilometer. It has three rivers, Kuam, Adiyar and Kosisthalayar and several lakes in western sides of the city. Chennai is a tropical, wet and dry climate. The table here shows that summer throughout March, April and May, which is characterized by intense heat and heavy rainfall only in October and November. Sources of water in Chennai are shown as surface water from lakes and rivers, groundwater from pumping station and seawater desalination plants. Only 54% of the total yield from these sources of water is realized in a normal rainfall year. This is due to evaporation and seepage losses. Growing water deficit is observed in recent past decade and below average precipitation affecting amount of moisture in soil and amount of water in rivers, lakes and groundwater, which is causing drought condition in Chennai, which is believed to exacerbate in future due to rise in temperature due to climate change. Chennai is my city and drought in Chennai has affected me and my family 2 years back. Figure shows that there has been rise in temperature by 1 degree Celsius from 1950 till 2010. The greenhouse gas emission from industries and vehicles have their big share to this rise in temperature. Rise in temperature has caused depletion in surface water and groundwater and hence drought. It is projected that there has been a rise in temperature and rainfall. However, the number of rainy days is going to decrease. This means that the duration of rainfall will be less and the frequency will be higher. This will lead to the frequent flash floods. Figure on right shows flood in Chennai in 2015. So therefore it requires adaptation and mitigation methods. Therefore measures like construction of hydro structures like dams in the upstream of the Chennai city in the basin will help to mitigate the floods arriving in the Chennai city. Thus, water can be stored in the wet period, which can be used in the dry period. Changing the agricultural practices from furrow or flood irrigation used presently to drip or sprinkle irrigation will save water and reduce the water deficit. The barrier to the action is the private land acquisition for construction of hydrostructure and convincing the farmer to change the conventional farming methods. The Water Resource Department and Agriculture Department of Tamil Nadu state needs to implement these measures to curtail drought due to climate change. Thank you.